साथीहरू नमस्कार गर्दै स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु तपाईहरुलाई आजको हाम्रो भिडियोमा। आशा गर्छु तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो भिडियोहरुले पक्कै पनि केही न केही मद्दत गर्दै होला। साथै भिडियोमा अन्तिमसम्म रहिदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु किनभने आजको भिडियोमा हामीले प्रॉफिट एन्ड लस अकाउन्टलाई समेटेका छौं। आजको भिडियोको विषयवस्तु रहनेछ नाफा नोक्सान खाताको अर्थ लेख्नुहोस्। यसको विशेषता उल्लेख गर्दै तयार पारिनुको उद्देश्यमा प्रकाश पार्नुहोस्। What is profit and loss account? What are the features of it? Also explain why it is prepared. साथीहरु ढिला नगरी सुरु गरौँ आजको हाम्रो भिडियोमा अन्तिमसम्म रहिदिनु हुन फेरि पनि अनुरोध गर्न चाहे साथीहरु। The account through which annual net profit or loss of a business is ascertained is known as profit and loss account. Gross profit or loss of a business is ascertained through trading account and net profit is determined by deducting all the indirect expenses from the gross profit through profit and loss account. Thus, profit and loss account start with the result provided by trading account. In general, we can conclude that a profit and loss account is a financial statement that summarizes the revenue, cost and expenses incurred by a business during a specific period, typically in a fiscal quarter or year. The primary purpose of this statement is to assess the profitability of a company over the time frame. साथीहरु यति भयो प्रॉफिट एन्ड लस अकाउन्टको डेफिनेसन। तपाईहरुले स्क्रिनशट पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा हाम्रो भिडियो सँगसँगै लेख्नु भयो भने अझै तपाईहरुको लेख्ने प्र्याक्टिस पनि भइहाल्छ अथवा तपाईहरुले भिडियोलाई अफलाइन पनि सेभ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथीहरु। साथै हामीले अहिलेसम्म अपलोड गरेका रिटर्नका सबै भिडियोहरुलाई हाम्रो च्यानलमा प्लेलिस्ट बनाएर राखेका छौं। च्यानल भिजिट गरेर प्लेलिस्ट लेखेको त्यहाँनेरि एउटा अप्सन आउँछ, त्यहाँनेरि क्लिक गर्नुभयो भने त्यहाँनेरि तपाईहरु देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। बैंकिङ रिटर्न अल नोट लेखेर एउटा हामीले प्लेलिस्ट बनाएका छौं। त्यहाँनेरि हामीले आजसम्म अपलोड गरेका रिटर्नका सबै भिडियोहरु एकै ठाउँ समग्र रूपमा भेट्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथीहरु। अगाडि बढौं। Features of profit and loss account. This account is prepared on the last day of accounting year in order to determine the net result of the business. साथीहरु feature of profit and loss account मा छौं हामीहरु। 2 नम्बरमा छ it is second stage of the final account. 3rd नम्बरमा छ only indirect expenses and indirect revenue are shown in this account. साथै 4 नम्बरमा छ it starts with the closing balance of the trading account that gross profit or loss. त्यसैगरी 5 नम्बरमा छ no items related to past or next year is included in it. त्यसैगरी 6 नम्बरमा रहेको छ it is typically presented in a vertical format with revenue at the top followed by the cost and expenses leading to the net profit at the bottom. 7 नम्बरमा रहेको छ it allows for the comparison of financial performance across different period helping in trend analysis and decision making. साथीहरु हामीले यसका फिचर्सहरु 7 वटा लिएर आएका छौं, तपाईहरु समक्ष हामीले शेयर गरिसक्यौं साथीहरु। अब यसको अलिकति कन्क्लुजन लेख्दियौं, त्यसपछि हामी यसको प्रोसिड्युरमा जान्छौं साथीहरु। This feature collectively make the profit and loss account the crucial financial statement for assessing a company's operational efficiency, profitability and overall financial health. Besides these features, there are various uses, importance and procedure of preparing profit and loss account. Following are the procedure for preparing profit and loss account listed and explained below. अब हामी साथीहरु यसको प्रोसिड्युर अफ प्रिपेयरिङ मा जान्छौं। प्रॉफिट एन्ड लस अकाउन्ट चाहिँ किन प्रिपेयर गरिन्छ, यो बनाउनुको उद्देश्य चाहिँ के हो त भनेर हामी हेर्छौं साथीहरु। प्रोसिड्युर अफ प्रिपेयरिङ प्रॉफिट एन्ड लस अकाउन्ट 1 नम्बरमा रहेको छ ग्यादर फाइनान्शियल डाटा, कलेक्ट फाइनान्शियल इन्फर्मेसन फर द स्पेसिफिक पिरियड you are preparing the statement including revenue details, cost of goods sold, operating expenses and any other relevant income or expenses. 2 नम्बरमा रहेको छ categorize revenue, identify and categorize all the sources of revenue. This may include sales, service fees, interest income or other income streams. 3 नम्बरमा रहेको छ calculate cost of goods sold, determine the direct cost associated with producing goods or services. This typically involves calculating expenses like raw materials, labor and manufacturing overhead. यसको 4 नम्बरमा रहेको छ क्याल्कुलेट ग्रस प्रॉफिट. Subtract the cost of goods sold from the total revenue to calculate the gross profit. This feature represents the basic profitability of the core business operation. 5 number, categorize operating expenses. Classify and list all operating expenses including salaries, rent, utilities, marketing and administrative cost. 6 number, account for other income and expenses. Include any non-operating items such as interest income, interest expenses or gain losses from the sales of assets. 7 number, calculate profit before tax. Add or subtract other income and expenses from the operating income to determine the profit before tax. 8 number, deduct income tax expenses. Calculate the income tax expenses based on the taxable income. Subtract this from the PBT to arrive at the net profit before extraordinary items. PBT मतलब साथीहरु profit before tax. 9 नम्बरमा छ consider extraordinary items. If there is any extraordinary item such as gain or loss not considering part of business operation, account for them separately. साथीहरु यसै गरी 10 नम्बरमा रहेको छ calculate net profit or loss. Subtract any extraordinary item from the net profit before extraordinary item to obtain the final net profit or loss. त्यसै गरी 11 नम्बरमा रहेको छ format and present the statement. Organize the information in a standard format, usually in a vertical layout with revenue at the top followed by expenses leading to the net profit at the bottom. त्यसै गरी 12 नम्बरमा रहेको छ review and analysis. Review and prepare PL account for accuracy and conduct of financial analysis to understand the company's performance during the year. साथीहरु हामीले यसको प्रोसिड्युर भनेर चाहिँ 12 वटा पोइन्टमा लिएर आएका थियौं. हामीले तपाईहरुसँग शेयर गरिसक्यौं. अब यसको होल एन्सरको हामी कन्क्लुजन तर्फ अगाडि बढ्छौं साथीहरु. Conclusion. These procedures ensure a systematic and accurate presentation of a company's financial performance in the PL account, keeping in mind that the exact step may vary depending on accounting standards, company size and industry specifics. साथीहरु आजको भिडियो यही अन्त्य भएको जानकारी गराउँदै फेरि भोलि भेट्ने बाचा गर्दै हजुरहरुमा आजबाट बिदा हुन चाहन्छु. साथै हाम्रो भिडियोले तपाईहरुलाई कतिको मद्दत गर्दैछ त त्यो पनि कमेन्ट गर्दिनु होला. साथै हाम्रो भिडियोमा इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने कुराहरु पनि हामीलाई सजेस्ट गर्दिनु होला. हस्त धन्यवाद. थ्यांक यू फर वाचिङ आवर भिडियो.